What's up, y'all? It's the Maverick, and I'm back with another episode of Shoe Talk. Today we have the remastered or reimagined Black Cement 3s. Alright, this is the box that it comes in. Red on the inside. This is the size tag. Make sure your size tag looks like that. These are not reps. These are the real thing. There's no reps over here. I'm gonna have to put a shirt that say no reps over here so y'all know this is real. That's how they come wrapped. Elephant print paper, and then it's wrapped again with the regular paper. Definitely getting these. This is how they look. Got the black kind of soft leather. Then you have that light gray elephant print overlays by the toe box, and on the back of the shoe by the heel. Got the Nike Air on the back. Then we have some red accents by the shoelaces right here. Then we have it on the tongue. We have a light gray tongue with the red embroidered Jumpman. Black laces. We also have that light gray by the laces. Then on the bottom, we have red, gray, and white, or like sail looking. The inside of the shoe is all red, and it says Nike Air. And make sure your tag looks like this. These did release first in 1988, and then the latest release was 2018. So now they're back again in 2024. I really like the shoe. I think it's a must cop. I do see a few inconsistencies. I know a lot of people is talking about the elephant print. I do see a lot of inconsistencies, just like the white cement that came out. Also the Nike Air on the back. It's like super close to the elephant print. It's no spacing. And then like even the level of the shoe. This one looks higher than this shoe. Yeah, so Nike do need to do better on that. But overall, I still think it's a really nice shoe. Highly anticipated. I'm pretty sure these are gonna sell out. It's a super general release. They are coming out November 23rd. Full family sizing, so I think, like I said, I think it's a must cop. I'm definitely copping them. I think y'all should too. Even though there is a few inconsistencies of the shoe, I think it's still a nice shoe. It didn't stop y'all from buying the white cement 3s, so I don't think it should stop y'all from buying these.
Me do my damn, just got back off the slab. 12.50 for a half. I'm winning, do the math. Burberry, I'm so clean. You niggas live a dream. Baby, Nace with my Supreme. Rex busting out my jeans. Don't know what be wrong with niggas. Don't talk on the phone with niggas. Don't hop on no songs with niggas. Can't get in my zone with niggas. But in the kitchen, I'm a chemist. Don't cherish money, let her spend it. He say he flexing, but it's rented. My phone jumping like a...
Like I said, y'all, it's a definite must cop. They are coming out November 23rd. Very close to Thanksgiving. I definitely think I should see these in y'all Thanksgiving pictures. So they should be having a shock drop for the Legend Blue 11s around that time. So y'all might have to choose. I honestly probably would go with these and just wait on the 11s so you can get both. But November 23rd, full family sizing, remastered black cement 3s. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I do have a few videos coming out very, very soon, so be sure to look out for those. Thank y'all for watching.
In the studio, they say my style is original. I'm getting money upgraded from a criminal. Had to take my lick, watch me